How to fix card not working on Xbox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to guide you on how to resolve this problem on fixing your card that is not working on Xbox. So when you encounter difficulties using your credit or debit card on your Xbox, there could be various reasons for this. The primary reason and solution could be an error or blockage from your credit card company. Contact your bank to inform them about the issue and request their assistance in resolving it. Another possible scenario is that if you're attempting to use a prepaid card, there may be activation issues associated with it. To address this, you can directly reach out to the credit card or prepaid card company, and alternatively, you can take the prepaid card to the retailer and explain that this is not functioning properly and they should be able to assist you. And in the case if you're getting the Xbox payment error messages or codes, also check with your bank and select the specific messages you are getting under the error messages below. And if you're getting an error code, then find the specific code listed under this error codes over here in the help page of Xbox. So this was all about how to fix card not working on Xbox. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.